This is the paint we used on the doors. Full gloss enamel, oil based, Dulux super enamel. Tough, hard wearing finish for doors, windows and trim. Bloody beautiful. Washing the brush up, and we're using mineral terps. And we've already given it a once clean up. Like that. Remember, I'm into recycling. This is a roller sleeve. Give that a wash. Then this here is special stuff. I'm going to show you what that is in a minute. We can give that a flick out, and we pour the dirty terps back into a container. What happens, all the solids will go to the bottom and you'll have pure cleaner on top. Now this is diesel that comes out of your vehicle, out of your four-wheel drive. I'm just going to pour a little bit in there like that, not much. So this is just in the back of the truck. My truck is diesel, my four-wheel drive is diesel. Just give that a rinse up, quick rinse like this. Now you can't use this to clean your brush, but you can use it to preserve it. So basically that's it now, and that can sit there for weeks or months. Also do the same thing with your roller. You don't have to wash it out with water. Now these are oil-based brush and oil-based roller. And that's it. And that can now sit. There's no need to wash up with it. And I use the other bit to just clean my hands. There was a rag here somewhere. And the good part about it, this is soluble with terps, mineral terps. And you can put it in there together. That's it. And that's my hands. Diesel has an oil in it. People say you shouldn't get it on your hands, but man, I'd much rather have diesel on my hands than petrol or anything like that. Nice oil. You can give it a little wash if you want. That's it.